Hey, this is Poison. I'm with GZ here. We're gonna make our new video, Skate Town. I hope you like it, man. Well, that's about it for me. It's time to tape GZ here. Yeah. So that's about it for our video. Well,
Wait.
Oh, GZ wants to show you some awesome stuff here, man. Dude, you gotta throw up. Yeah, it was awesome, GZ. Yeah. So that's about it for our video now. So I hope you like it. It's not that good, but it's our first video, so you know. Thanks for watching. See you later, man.